Hi, welcome to our home.
I'm Prakhar Singhal,
I'm Neelu Singhal.
and we have two daughters, Anushka and Tusha, and a Simba.
The name on Livspace came to us from our cook. He is working in another house and he says, Didi, that house is really good. The kitchen is very good. And why don't you try it? I said, okay, get me the number. And he got me the number and I called up Livspace and the journey began. So the process was very well defined with Livspace. There was this design phase where we started with the designers. They came to our house, they looked at, what is our need, what is our current setup, what is our taste.
And we had so much of a debate.
We had so many fights. We had so many fights.
Like...
the best part about Livspace was they modulated with our taste. They realized that, for example, I like classical stuff. I like royalty. If you look at the house, it's like all white and gold, right? So they picked up on that taste and they said that, okay. Now, every time they would go and do procurement, they says, oh no, look at something which is in gold, or fan.
Yeah,
or,
towards the end, they would crack a joke that, look, anything that Neelu will say yes if it is gold.
It is like that chemistry. It felt that, yes, this is going to match what you're looking at. It is not about, you want a lot of premium stuff or you want a lot of luxury stuff, etc. It is about that people who can understand your needs. So this is basically the grocery unit. But given that, I had so much of crockery that I utilized it for my crockery space. This is my glass cabinet. I'm very fond of lights and glass. This is the hob. I was very particular that I need a big hob and a good countertop so that, you can, get place to, chop and, keep your other stuff. What I like about this place when I did with Livspace, two or three things that I had kept in my mind. One, this room has to have enough warmth. And the warmth that I was looking at was, it is good lighting. It is like, the good wallpaper that, we wanted to have, which obviously reflects my taste. So the color combination, the red, the white is purely reflective of the taste. And, they put in so much of soul into the room.
Then extended area was, I think, in my view, when I saw the 3D, I said, look, Pragati, this is looking great in terms of the way she did the ceiling. And they said, look, we'll create this red and white color theme. I think I didn't come up with a red color theme. It was more Pragati's idea because we had a red sofa. And then once she picked up the red theme and she said, look, I'll give you red curtains. We thought that would be too much. Then we gave a combination of red and white. We broke the red monotony, and then we liked this from Kapoor Lights. We liked this chandelier which had red, in it. And I think the most interesting part was the wallpaper. Somehow I thought that this one, which is Sabyasachi's red, because it has some bit of a gloss and a golden, it's a different red. And with a golden thing, I thought it will come out very well, and I'm so glad it came out well.
So both my daughters, they love pinks. Life is about, blings and, fairy tales and, those nice little shears and swans and, all of that hanging. So this is how, these girls have been. So we looked at the design and we said that, okay, this resonates with us. And in my view, I have to be very candid. I think the room came out better even than the 3D that we had seen or we had, kind of given to Livspace.
So really like how everything is just really going well with each other here. I love the whole side tables and then how the headboard goes along with that and the marble tops and the backlighting is really, really beautiful. At night, I think the room really brightens up a lot, and everything just, reflects a lot of positivity and vibrancy. I really love the curtains. Even when they're open, it just kind of covers this whole bed. I've always wanted that kind of a princess bed. So that the whole room just lights up in the morning, and I think every element of the room really comes together very well. I really like the whole white door first of all, and then the whole marble detailing here. The lights in the back of the mirror, which obviously really, makes you want to get ready here. And I love the whole tiles in the back. I think it adds a very nice element to the whole bathroom. And of course the shower heads, it's really nice.
But we played along as a team, and I think one very important part was the design, and then in fulfilling that design, there is a lot of procurement that has to happen. And Livspace team was with us through and through, whether we had to buy lights, we had to buy bathroom fittings, whatever it is. I mean, I think that's a lot of task.
The best part was that, if there was a particular piece that we weren't happy with, or even the Livspace team wasn't happy with, I mean, that thing was redone. So I think that worked very well for us. We said, hey, what did we get into? But I have to tell you, at the end of it, I mean, it's like climbing a Mount Everest, and then you say, wow, I'm glad we did it.
Yeah.
I mean, we are enjoying every single day of, what we have got as a final product.